how to put transitions in CapCut PC. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about CapCut PC and I'm going to teach you how you could use and add transitions into your video. Now over here right now I have CapCut opened on my screen and I have a video already in the section over here. Now what you're simply going to do is you're going to select a clip and you're going to cut this, and this would be like a simulation of your two different clips that you would like to combine and add together. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go over here on transitions. As you can see here, we have a lot of different types of transitions. You could also check out the trendings over here to see what people are using the most. Now what I'm going to use is we're going to use a very simple one. For example, a CW swirl. We're going to drag it and put it in the middle of the two clips that we have cutted. And as you can see, when we play this, it's going to have a transition effect that we can see. Basically, you could use any of these transitions that you have, and you're going to need to have two clips to add the transition effect into your video. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.